how you can turn off HDR on any iPhone. So sometimes you may have a problem when you record a video and transfer it to your computer, it's too dark or too shiny. It means that your iPhone has the HDR turned on. If you want to turn it off, simply open System Settings. And now we want to scroll down and open Camera section. Once you are here, open Record Video. Here you can set up your video quality, recording quality, and if you scroll down, here is the option HDR video. Now for me it's turned on, and this mode will record in 10-bit high dynamic range including Dolby Vision. So this is compatible with bigger screen, televisions, etc. If you want to turn it off, do it so. And now you can record in normal version without the HDR. So that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.